How to fix the SSL Unavailable issue on Shopify. Pointing your record to Shopify. Add your custom domain to your Shopify store. Step 1. Open Domains section. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then Domains. Open Domains section. Step 2. Choose Connect Existing Domain. Find Connect Existing Domain and click on it. Connect Existing Domain. Step 3. Enter the domain. Type the domain you would like to connect. For example, johns-apparel.info. Enter the domain. Step 4. Click Next. Now it's time for you to set up your existing domain to point to Shopify. Set up your existing domain to connect to Shopify. If your domain is purchased via a third party, you have to edit the DNS settings below. Your record should direct to Shopify's IP address. This address is 23.227.38.65. Your www name should direct to shops.myshopify.com. While you are editing these settings, other things such as email forwarding might be affected. It's possible for you to reach out to your domain provider to check how your DNS settings are changed or affected. Notice, only a record is connected to your domain. If you already have one A record connected to your domain as you change your DNS settings to direct your record to Shopify's IP address, then delete the previous A record. Step 1. Log in. Sign in with the account you create with your domain provider. Step 2. Open DNS settings. Go to DNS settings. Find your domain management area, DNS configuration, or something like that. Step 3. Edit your record. Change your record to direct to Shopify's IP address 23.227.38.65. There might be drop-downs or editable fields in the domain settings panel, or you need to check boxes or edit a table. Enter or select the @ symbol or a record. Enter Shopify's IP address 23.227.38.65. Step 4. Save the A record. Click Save button on the screen. Step 5. Find the name record. Look for the name record in your DNS settings. Step 6. Edit your www name. Change your www name record to direct to shops.myshopify.com. Some domain providers require the whole subdomain. However, often you just need to provide the prefix without the dot. You can follow the guidelines of your provider or use the current entries as instructions. Name records must always direct to a domain name, not to an IP address. Step 7. Save the name record. Click Save button on the screen. Now it's time to verify your connection in Shopify. Verify your connection in Shopify. To confirm that there is a connection between your custom domain and your store, please click Verify Connection in your Shopify admin. Pointing your custom domain to your online shop on Shopify might take up to 48 hours. Contact your provider if you have any questions or want to set your third-party domain.